Rear wheel removal and refitting. If your motorcycle's rear wheel gets punctured, is not rotating freely, is making noise or wobbling, then you will have to remove the wheel to examine it. Here in these few simple steps, we will show you how to remove the rear wheel and fit it back. You will find the following tools in your motorcycle toolkit: Allen key 6 mm, ring spanner 24 mm, extension bar, screwdriver. Additionally, you will need a tapping mallet. First, place the vehicle on the center stand and ensure the motorcycle is in an upright position on a firm and flat surface. Mark the alignment markings on left hand and right hand chain adjusters. Hold the rear spindle from the left hand side with a screwdriver. Loosen the spindle nut with the help of a 24 mm ring spanner and extension. Remove the plain washer and spindle nut. Gently pull the spindle out partially with the help of a screwdriver. Remove the right hand chain adjuster from the swing arm. Plug out the brake hose and ABS cable from the swing arm clips. Slide out the caliper reaction bracket assembly by holding it. Place the brake pads limiter, cardboard sheet in between the pads. Gently pull the rear spindle by using the screwdriver from left hand side. Note: hold the wheel assembly by right hand while removing the spindle. Remove the left hand side spacer from the sprocket and keep it aside safely. Remove the drive chain and the sprocket and place it on a clean surface. Ensure availability of right hand sprocket at the sprocket center. Slide out the wheel assembly carefully. Ensure availability of the right hand spacer at the wheel assembly center. Remember not to place the wheel disc side down as it may damage the disc plate and the wheel. Carefully slide the wheel assembly into its position between the swing arms. Ensure rear sprocket mounting does not touch the disc surface while sliding the wheel assembly. Ensure the spacer on both right hand and left hand side of the chain sprocket. Insert the drive chain onto the rear sprocket and align the sprocket with the wheel hub. Insert the left hand side chain adjuster into the swing arm. Hold and lift the wheel assembly with both the hands as shown and ensure swing arm eye, chain adjuster is on the same axis. Gently push the spindle into the swing arm eye. Remove the pad limiter from the caliper assembly and slide the caliper bracket carefully to achieve proper fit with swing arm bracket. Insert the right-hand side chain adjuster into the swing arm and tap the spindle gently at the left-hand side to pass the spindle completely at the right-hand side. Insert the washer on the spindle and hand tighten the wheel spindle nut. Tighten the spindle nut using a 24 mm ring spanner. Insert the brake hose cable into the clips provided. Tighten the chain adjuster nut completely using the 6 mm Allen key on both the left hand and right hand sides. To set to initial alignment mark and ensure chain slack as per owner's manual, that is 25 to 30 mm. Tighten the wheel spindle nut fully. Note: visit a Royal Enfield authorized service center to tighten the bolts to recommended torque. Now, you have learned to remove and refit the rear wheel of the motorcycle. Keep riding.